What's up, everybody? RJ Bates III here, and today's video recap is going to be about a lead that I did not close. I think it's important for us to show these calls just as much as the ones that we do close, so you guys can learn from our failures just as much as you learn from our success. This is a three-part video, but unfortunately, we only have the first and the third parts. We're actually missing the middle, the second part. And what's crazy about this is it kind of leads and explains why I was a little bit frustrated in the final conversation I had with the seller. So this is a cold call lead, data pulled from batch leads given to our VAs from Integria, cold called on our batch dialer, pushed into the system. I called the seller same day that the lead came in, actually just minutes after it came in. Talked to him, made an offer. The next day, he called in. I was on a call, so someone on my team actually fielded the call and they couldn't push it to me because his answer was, I'm good to move forward with your offer. Please send me the contract. We're getting elderly. We're selling off a bunch of our properties. We're just tired of this one. We're ready to move forward. So that's what you're missing, right? You're missing that call where the seller said, offer is accepted. Please send me the contract. We're elderly and we're ready to move forward. Like I said, I want you to learn from this call. This is a cold call lead. I probably should have tried to nurture it a little bit more than I did. But I was also trying to assume the sell, and I never really thought that the objections that he had were going to lead to us not getting the deal. But what I will say is, I think I learned in that final call, this probably wasn't the type of seller we wanted to go under contract with anyways. Maybe it was a great property, but not the right seller. I'm curious. You guys let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if I made the right decision kind of pulling away and walking away from this deal. Let me know in the comments.
What can I do for you, sir?
I was calling because I think you spoke to Mar earlier today about your property there on La Fountain Street.
Yes.
And he had sent over the information saying that you might be interested in receiving an offer on that property. Just wanted to call and ask a couple questions. I see that it's currently rented. Is that correct?
Pardon me?
It currently is rented.
Yes.
How much are you charging a month in rent?
$2,200.
$2,200. Okay. Excellent. And how would you rate the condition of the property?
I don't think big major, but people they before we put on the gentleman try to buy he because that area right now they're someone they purchase someday they will Main Street right now development and he tried to development for the property and right now because of the bank right now they're not approved for it. So he back up, so we try to put that on the list right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Give me just a few minutes here. And the property is 2,100 square feet, correct?
The whole, no, 2,000, I don't know, 2,000 or 2,100.
Yeah. It's showing me 2,100 is what I see.
Yeah.
So,
yeah.
Gotcha. Did you have a particular number in mind that you were wanting to get for the property?
Copy.
Did you have a specific number in mind that you wanted to get for the property?
Before he tried to purchase for 360,000.
Okay.
Yeah.
So the problem with 360,000 is because it's only rented out for 2,100, it wouldn't necessarily cash flow with those numbers. Does that make sense?
mean?
Well, if I spend 360,000 and I'm only getting 2,100 a month, it's not cash flowing. I would potentially be losing money every month because of the rent rate.
Okay.
You
So
see,
if you're losing, so you don't need to purchase anything.
well,
Because someone the main street, someone they buy it and they take it off and they build to the new development.
okay.
And also the good location, the convenience everywhere.
I see that. How long is the tenant under lease for?
Month by month.
Okay, so that makes a difference.
Yeah.
Let's see here. Because if it's month to month and I bought it vacant, then that could be a different story. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because then I'm not stuck to that rent rate. I could potentially fix the property up. But you were saying it doesn't need a whole lot of work, right?
Sometimes, depend. So normally the city, they make sure everything before let you rent it out, so.
I see. So the city did an inspection.
The roof's a new roof anyway. The roof, so we just put on years ago.
Like how many years ago?
Only 1.5 years.
Okay, so basically a brand new roof.
Yeah, the roof's more expensive than everything.
What about like the heater?
The heater right now they're using electric.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Is it newer?
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
When was the last time it was painted?
Payment for what?
Painted, like the inside. When was it painted?
They painted for 2 years ago.
Okay. All right. Give me just a few seconds here. So for a cash offer, I would probably want to be closer to 325.
325.
Yes, sir.
You cannot make more.
What? Maybe a little bit, depending upon, and also let me say this: I would want it to be vacant too, with no tenants. Yeah, because that's what allows us to pay that much. I wouldn't want to have to get rid of the tenants there. I might be able to do a little bit more, but realistically, I feel pretty comfortable at 325. I don't know how much more I'd be able to do.
Yeah. Okay. Let me talk to my partner.
Okay.
So.
Would you like for me to give you a call tomorrow?
Yeah. Can you give me your phone number?
Yes. It is 817.
Yep.
710.
Yep.
8689.
Okay. So, and your name, sir?
My name is RJ Bates.
Can you spell that?
It's RJ.
Yeah.
And then Bates, BATES.
Okay. RJ Bates. Okay. Okay. Good. Let me talk to my partner and see what do they want to do.
Okay. Thank you, sir. We'll talk to you tomorrow, okay?
So, cash buy or?
Cash. Yes, sir.
You going to finance anything or no?
No, sir.
Okay.
Cash offer, no commissions, and we'll cover the closing costs.
You cover the closing.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So you buy like this, and then whatever you take care of that, right?
Correct.
Okay. Whatever the thing you. Okay. Yeah. Let me talk to my partner and see what do they want to do.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
If they need something, and I will let you know.
All right. We'll talk to you tomorrow.
How much you said? 32.50.
325.
325. Okay. 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 Let me talk to them. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
All right. Bye-bye. Oh, he sounds excited. So that is a cold call lead from our VAs. They talked to him this morning. And that's in Vermont. This is RJ Bates from Titanium Investments. The gentleman made you the offer on your property there in La Fountain.
The fountain? Yeah, I have no. We want to sell. We sell like this because we don't want to. Deal with everything.
Right.
We sell like this. So if you want to purchase, and so.
No, remember I was the one that sent you the contract.
Yeah, you sent me the contract. I look at the contract. It's too many things. To ask. So that's why.
What do you mean? What was in there?
Because we like to sell as is.
I know that's what it says. It says I'm buying it as is.
Yeah, buy it like this, and you take care of everything.
Right.
Whatever. Yeah, because the price, right now we have prices so low.
But that's what it says. It says I'm buying it as is for the 325.
You need to. We have to remove the tenant. Everything. So if you like to purchase, so you purchase like this.
Right, but that was the reason I said 325, but with the tenants removed.
No, 325.
Right, 325 with no tenants.
Yeah, but right now the tenants are over there, and if you like to purchase, so I have to talk to my lawyer. Because I saw the contract, they're different, so, and
what do you mean it was different?
Right now, I had to remove the tenant, the day closing, and you need to inspect everything,
Well, it just means I'm going to come out there and look at it. I mean, I have to come see what I'm buying,
Yeah, because if everything, we like to get the sooner we can, we don't want to deal with too many things.
All I'm needing you to deal with is just get rid of the tenant.
Yeah, and
that's it. Nothing else.
Yeah, if I get rid of the tenant, I sell at least, 38, so.
For how much?
Yeah, right now I get the lawyer involved, and to remove them, after remove, and then I can adjust different. Yeah.
Okay, so you're gonna remove the tenants and then you're gonna try to sell?
Yeah, and
that's what I'm saying. I mean, I'm willing to give you $325,000. Why wouldn't you want to go under contract with me?
Okay, 325. Sell like this, and we don't want to deal with too many things and blah blah blah, and if you like to be, so we like this, we sell like this, sell like this, so, and no inspection, no everything, so go like this.
So I don't even get to see it. I just write you a check for $325,000.
Yeah.
Okay. Who in their right mind would do that? No one's gonna give $325,000 to someone without even getting to see the building.
Because the values from the property.
I don't care about the values. I could show up and the house could be burned down on the inside.
Right now, forget everything. You know, pretend we don't know. We don't say anything right now. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Bye.
Get out of here, bro. Freaking waste of time. Delete that contract. No. Dead lead. Can't scam a scammer. He read you like a book. What are you talking about? Jesus Christ. Were you his cousin? Get out of here, dude.